Restocking the house is always the best for me. There's this joy it gives me knowing fully well that I will not be going to the market here and then to buy anything. And anything I need, I have it at home and I'll just make use of it. So if you get money, it's always the best. Just restock your house, carry earpool for one corner. You'll not even care to go to the market again. Hi, besties. How you all doing this Saturday? How is it all going with you out there? Hope fine. I just want to use this video to say thank you to everyone that have actively been engaging on my posts and on my videos. I say God bless you all. Thank you all for keeping me here and for keeping me going. For all those that have not been sharing, please try and share my video. It will help me in the long run. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.